Assalamu alaikum, shukran jazilan. Thanks for you, thanks for the audience, and most welcome to this event. It's keep increasing year on year, and its impact, I'm sure that will be getting more mature over the years. As the numbers that you just display in the screens, we have exceeding the 13 platforms that is integrated with each other, complementing each other. Some of them are on regulating part, and majority working on the smart cities, including around 600 services that is launched in these platforms. What we have accomplished is we moved to the hyperscaler model where and I'll give you 3 examples of those AI cases that have been accomplished. One is Baladi Lens, where it used to be a classic inspector taking picture of the streets violations and utilize these pictures for that fees or the model that we work on is maximizing the use, reduce and minimize the redundancy, where the same pictures being utilized by Baladi Lens, Baladi navigation, and also white lands purposes. So this action wouldn't be able to conduct this without really adapting, and as you said, that we're really adapting the AI usage and maximizing the benefits out of the outcome. The second thing is the recommendation engine that we have implemented. At the early stages where we implement this technology, the benchmark and the similar function of the platforms usually expect to have convergence for real estate recommendation from 30 to 40%, while today we have reached 80% of the convergence from these recommendations. Why is that? Due to the position of NHC and having the majority of the supply, especially for the off-plan, is coming from NHC, so I'm exposed to the supply side. I know a lot about the demand side, where we have these 13 platforms, so we know the behavior of those people, so that's enrich and increase our percentage of convergence to up to 80%. These 2 cases positioned us in really very good adaptation for the AI cases.
That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you talk to us about the NHCI talents and how do they contribute to this? How you have built up the talents in your organization to be able to deliver those use cases?
Well, a couple of part of the even NHCI AI strategy that is accomplished is or delivered. 25% of these stuff is related to internal usage for AI that enhance people and optimizing their time, effort, and reducing the fraction that is used for the day-to-day activity. In addition to that, we are working heavily in having these on-job training for the leaders in AI and data companies to collaborate with them and having our team practiced in different AI technology.
And how do you collaborate externally with the municipalities, but also with external stakeholders? All the product that you develop, how do they integrate into the ecosystem?
We are in a position where NHC is a real estate company where it could involve in early stages in preparing these smart cities, making these cities could adapt the smart tools that are going to be robots, autonomous driving, and so preparing the infrastructure in terms of roads, sidewalks, and also the houses. So this will be adapted by, as an NHC, a real estate company, armed by a technology company with innovation. Those two combinations is really putting us in a good position, in very nice situation where we could interfere in early stages for the infrastructure, reducing the cost at the early stages with the houses or with the communities in order to adapt these technology in the future.
Thank you. So tell us more about the prioritized use case in the future. What do you have in mind? I mean, we heard about autonomous driving here, so we are a bit excited about what's coming up. What are the priority and for the real estate market that are the most impressive to you that are coming up?
Well, the beauty of real estate is, the beauty of what we are doing is we are working on real estate and in technology. Both subjects are really exciting for people. Everything that is reduce or minimize the fraction in the transaction is really impressive. So even in the real estate, if we take a couple of actions that is common in every real estate transaction, the evaluation, recommendation, eligibility, even in mortgage, the prediction of when to buy, what to buy, all these are AI cases. That's not a sort of demonstration or pilot or something that is will be applied shortly and then launched out. These are the really whatever case that is reduce or minimize the fraction is really impressive for us.
Amazing. And can you tell us about the critical enabler behind the AI revolution you're driving, the infrastructure, the data centers, the hyperscaler that you leverage, and how do you strategize to build up this capability to support the AI revolution for real estate sector?
It's been announced by the CEO and of NHC and the chairman of NHC Innovation, Mohammed Al-Butti, that we are building Khuzam Valley. It's a data center that is going to be established in Riyadh and will host all these AI data center. Why we are going to this? It's mainly require maybe 4 competency, and all these competencies already with NHC. Land, which we have, the power and capacity, we could reach up to 300 megawatt with our own capacity. The know-how that we do have, and we have international partner, we have a joint venture with Naver Cloud and establishing Naver Innovation Company, and they have one of the biggest data center in Asia. The fourth one is the 13 platform that we are already running, which is sort of take-off clients already there. So we are moving to that direction in enabling AI in the kingdom, inshallah.
Thank you so much, Engineer Rayan Alaql. Thank you so much for answering all these questions and providing us with your insights.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Shukran.